How to reduce lag and improve FPS in Legend Fighter Mortal Battle. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If Legend Fighter Mortal Battle feels laggy or has low frame rates, then you can improve performance by adjusting your device and in-game settings. Firstly, open up the Legend Fighter Mortal Battle game on your device. From the main menu page, tap on the gear icon at the top left corner. After you're inside this settings tab, make sure that you're inside General. Inside the General tab, look for the quality option. And if your device is lagging, keep the quality to low or medium. Similarly, you can also choose the FPS. Choose the low FPS setting if you have a laggy device. Now, once you make these two settings changes, you can get back to the game, restart the app once, and right after you do that, you might be able to help your device to reduce lag and improve FPS while playing Legend Fighter. Also, make sure that you are using a stable internet connection. Close off any other background running apps to free up memory. And after you make sure of these, you might be able to reduce your lag issue on your device while playing Legend Fighter Mortal Battle. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.